Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and in this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add your website to Google Search Console. So when you sign up with Google Search Console, it will show up something like that as soon as you log in. It will ask you to add the website or select property type first and then add the URL. So there are two options here. For this property type, you have to verify through the DNS records. But this type is a little bit easier, so let it done with the URL prefix verification. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you for both user types. If you are a WordPress user, still this method will work, and also if you are a Shopify user, this method will work as well. So what you have to do is simply go and copy your website URL and now come back and paste it here, which must include HTTPS. Now continue. Somehow it says ownership automatically verified. It could be possible due to various factors, that if your website is verified with Google Merchant Center or Google Ads, etc. So what you have to do is simply go to property and find out the verification. Now scroll down, make sure your website shows here. Now scroll down and go to settings and see here it says ownership verification. You are delegated owner. You don't want to go with just delegated ownership. You want to occupy the full ownership, which means you can control the data and you can modify things. So what you have to do is simply select that part. You are delegated owner. Simply click on that. So in your case, simply select HTML tag. So scroll down and copy this HTML tag, and now follow this thing. It says copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's home page. It should go into head section before the first body section. So what you have to do is simply copy this and go to your Shopify website and go to online store. Here on the online store, simply select three dots on your active theme and edit code. Go to theme.liquid. So hit that, and here you see here Google tag is already there. So one of the reasons it was automatically verified with delegated ownership is Google tag. I'm not 100% sure, but it could be one of the reasons. I haven't checked yet. But what you have to do is this HTML tag, simply copy, and you have to go back to your website, backend of Shopify, theme.liquid. Under the header tag, press enter and paste it here. And then once you paste it, save and go back to ownership verification and click verify. So if you hit verify, it will show you verification successful. Now it will show you that you are a verified owner. That's what you want. Now see, in the same way, you can verify your WordPress website. So let me get this WordPress website here. Now to add this code to your WordPress website, just imagine instead of Shopify, what you have to do is go to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to plugins, add new plugin, and search for the plugin name header footer, called Header Footer Code Manager, HFCM. Simply install now and activate. This plugin you can find out here on the left hand side panel, HFCM. Simply go and select add new snippet, and the snippet name would be Google Search Console, and HTML tag, yes, site wide, yes, location header, yes, and everything as it is. If you want to exclude any pages, you can exclude here, but simply scroll down and paste the code you copied from the Google site verification. And once you paste the code, save changes. Once you save it, done. Then you go back to your Google Search Console and hit verify button, and your site will be verified successfully. So this is how you can verify or add the websites, either it is hosted on Shopify or WordPress, to Google Search Console and make it active on Google Search Console and make it search engine visible. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos. Also, please thumbs up and comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Until next time, take care. See ya. Bye bye.